Alright guys, so we are literally 2 minutes away from where we are needing to be at, and it's pretty crazy. You know, it's actually really crazy because it's been a long time since, you know, we've had this one object. So, yeah. Alright, here we go. Oh, dog! Oh my god! Oh, holy crap! Dog, it looks. Yo! Oh, dog! Yo! Oh! Oh man! Oh, fucking bad! I told you. This is Billy. Can we get come up closer? I told you. Dog. I told you. Words can't explain how nice this paint looks. Like, it looks so much more saturated. Don't look as faded as what it used to be. Dog, you the man. You the man. Holy crap, it's nice. I love it.
Throw some light on it, you'll see the pearl.
All right, so you're just seeing the initial reaction of the S2000, and it's really, really pretty. He's very excited about it. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. So here she is, as you saw from the pull-out video. She's all back. She's beautiful, beautiful. Oh yeah. This is the madman himself who did all the work. Oh yeah. So what was the process, Billy?
A long, long road with a lot of work.
Oh yeah.
Sealer coat, paint coat, pearl coat, clear coat, sanded and re-cleared.
Oh yeah.
We didn't even tell them what do we do to it. It's not your average Suzuka Blue.
Oh no, not by a long shot.
Oh,
So
yeah.
what
You'll
happened?
never see another Suzuka Blue that color.
And that is a guarantee, for sure.
We'll keep the actual pearl secrets. No one tries to copy what I did.
Go ahead, man. Hop in it, Ralph. Billy's passing you the key. He ain't touched his key in, I don't know.
I'm trying.
Get up in it, dog. Get up in it. Don't be
My car
scared.
has always ran, but it's never looked this good.
Hey, Billy. This man's scared to drive his own car.
What can I say?